deleting a dataset or datasets from one library or libraries. Hello everyone, today we are going to learn all about how to delete the data from SAS libraries. Okay, so let's jump to the SAS and try to understand different techniques one by one. Well, so here I am creating many of the tables. You just don't need to worry about all these things. All that you need to see is list of tables which we have in work library. Starting from A1 to A5, I will just run this all and this will create the other libraries as well. So if I take you again back to the work library, now you're gonna see the tables starting from A1 to A5 and then again B6 to B10. Okay, so this is the list of tables. Now let's say I want to delete all these tables, all these garbage tables, rubbish tables from my library. How can we do that? For that I will use proc datasets and give the library name which is work and then just simply say kill, then run. Okay, once it is run, I would like to have the list of available datasets in this particular library. So for that I can use proc datasets. Okay, lib equals to work. Okay, and what I'll use is meme type equals to data, and then I will just do a run. Now let me just first execute this. Now you can just run this patch. Okay, now here you're gonna see there isn't any table available in work library. If I just take you over here, there is no table at all. So this is how you can delete all the tables from a given library. Now I'll recreate all those tables in work library. So this was to delete all the tables from one library. What if you want to delete all except few? For example, I want to delete all but I want to save A5 and B6. How can you do that? So for that, what you're gonna do is just use no list option. Here you see no list. Yeah, you got it right. Here it says no list, but it actually accepts the lists. Okay, and then here you're gonna say save. Save which one you want to save, A5 and B6. These two tables you want to save. So for that you can just run this. Let me first show you if this work library has all these tables or not. So here you can see that this particular library has all these tables, right? Now I will just run this along with this second patch, so that it will show you the list of available. So now you can see in work library you have only two tables available. So this is how you can use save option, which will save specified tables but and will delete all remaining. Starts with A and you want to delete all the remaining tables. So what you can do is, first let me just create all these tables again. Please bear with me, I'll have to keep on creating and deleting these tables again and again. Okay, so all these tables are created again. Now if I run this patch, this will save all those tables which starts with A and it will delete all the remaining one. So now we will just get a list of tables available in this particular library. Here we go. Oops, no, this is correct. Here you have all the tables which are starting with A and rest all the tables have been deleted. Now if you want to delete tables, if you want to save the tables only A1 to A3, all right, and you want to delete all remaining tables, right? So what you can do is you can just select this and run it. So now you see you have only A1 to A3. So now you noticed what is it that you have to do. You just need to give the either range of tables with save statement or the list of tables with save statement, and that will do accordingly. So this was to delete all the tables except few. what if you want to delete some specific one only, right? So for that you can say delete. So if you say, instead of save, if you say delete, so this will delete all the tables ranging between A1 to A3. Let me show you. Just select this and hit run button. So from here, if you see, A1 to A3 is deleted, rest all the tables are available over here. Okay. Now if you want to delete all the tables which starts with B, letter B, right? So you can just say this thing. I will again select this all and run it. So if you see, all the tables starting with B are deleted, but all the tables are available. Okay, so this is how you can delete the n number of tables from a given library. But what if you want to delete some specific tables from different libraries, right? Let's say here I have one library created home, and let's say this particular table is available in home. Let me just put this in home. I will just quickly do this and okay, perfect. Now before I do that, let me first clear this work library and have it fresh created. Okay, so for that what we can do is, just tell me quickly, what is it that we can do to delete all the tables from a particular library? Yeah, you got it right. Just kill it. You killed it, man. Okay, so this is fresh. It's just don't care about it. You can just ignore it. It keeps in memory and it keep on showing that. Okay, so just don't worry about it. Now in work library you have nothing. If you just run this, that's completely empty, right? Now I'm just going to run this particular patch of code. So this will create library. This will create all these tables in home library and all these tables in work library. Let's have it validated. Okay, so here in work library you can see all these tables A1 to A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and B6. Okay, and then starting from B7 till B10 you have those tables where, that's right here in work library. Now if you want to delete B8 and A2 table, only B8 and A2 table, how you gonna do that? For that we can use the another procedure which is called proc delete. Okay, proc delete, and in data you can just specify work dot, let's say whatever table you want to delete, let's say A3, and from home library you want to delete, let's say B9. All right, and then just say run. So this is I mean you can specify if you have many other libraries as well. If you want to delete more than one table from one library and one table from other library, you can do whatever you want. So just type all those things over here and you can just select this, execute this, boom, this is deleted. Let's have a look on that. Let's go to the work library from here, and in that you don't have A3 table. Let's go to the home library, and in that you don't have B9 table. Similarly, if you don't want to delete all these things, right, and you just want to delete simply one table, not more than that, just one table, so you can do this thing. All right, you can just select and run this, and then you would have only one table deleted, rest everything will be available. You can see that in home library as well and in work library as well. So this is how you can play around proc dataset and proc delete procedure to delete the required number of tables or specific table from one library or multiple libraries.